Good morning, RedHawks. Welcome back to MHS News. I'm Rosas.
And I'm Reiff. This is MHS News for Wednesday, September 4th.
Topping our news, it's the first full week of school coming off of Labor Day weekend. We are so excited to be back this year and even more excited to welcome the class of 2028 to Marist.
Kicking off the school year, you'll notice more attention on proper uniform. Shirts must be tucked in for boys and girls. Shoes must be a solid color, black, white, or gray.
The new and improved ARC is now ready to go. The ARC underwent renovations this summer and is now open for all students from 7:30 to 4. If students receive a yellow pass, they are free to come down during their lunch period and can enjoy some new games that the ARC has to offer.
For this brand new school year, our theme is love of work. This means we go through the year putting 100% effort into work, sports, and school. This hard work will pay off, so stay strong, RedHawks.
Marist football just had their first win of the season. It was against Morgan Park over the weekend. This is a great start of the season, and we are excited to see our team do well this year. Every player is putting all their time into practice, so go to the games and show support for our athletes.
The RedHawks had a pep rally last Friday, getting ready for our first football game of the season. The Marist dance, cheer team, and band all performed and did an amazing job. The Marist RedHawk rallies are always something to look forward to.
Fridays at Marist kick off this week. That's when shadows from junior high come in to see what Marist is all about. Incoming students will get free lunch, a free t-shirt, and be able to walk around with the school with their current student.
Also Friday, if you get to school early, be sure to go to the chapel. Mass is held every Friday at 7:15, and Mondays with Mary return this year. Every Monday, all are invited to pray rosary in the chapel right after school.
Now let's get an update on Marist sports.
I'm Pat Reddy with a look at the sports. Marist football is off to a great start. As we mentioned in the news, the Marist varsity football team won their home opener Saturday 29-16 against Morgan Park. Senior quarterback Jacob Ritter threw for 4 touchdowns to help the RedHawks secure a crucial home win. And the Marist freshmen won 34-32 in a tough game. Now all eyes are on this Friday's Battle of Pulaski. We take on Brother Rice on their turf Friday night. Come out and cheer on the RedHawks. Sophomores had a great game, barely losing 18-20, and varsity golf has a home match today against Nazareth. Girls varsity volleyball plays tonight at home against St. Francis, and that's all for the sports, so let's get a check on the weather.
Hi, I'm Chris Hernandez with the weather. Over the next few days, summer is back, and it will be humid and sunny. Today, it was cool this morning, but should be warming up to a high of 83. Tonight, we should drop to a low of 64. Tomorrow will also increase the heat at 11 o'clock with a high of 87. That's the weather, now back to the desk.
So how's school for you been?
It's been pretty good, pretty fun, exciting. What about you?
It's been good. It's been pretty fun. Well, we got through our first newscast with many more to come. So I'm Reiff.
I'm Rosas. Fly high, RedHawks.